put a token in. And then pull the trigger. Don't bother going for the big jackpot. It's not that much from the regular part right there. Okay? So just pull back very lightly. Not that lightly, obviously. If that happens, then it will end up down here. Then you'll just put it in and do it again. Don't do it very hard, but don't do it with a very minimal amount of force. It doesn't like me for some reason. See, that's what happens if you put too much in. Let's try again. Man, this thing really doesn't like me today, I've noticed. Oh well. It's best to aim it for the direct center. Don't go for something like the 3 or the 10. Now let's move on to another game. Deal or no deal. A very favorite of mine. Now, we are about to start. When it says double deal, don't bother going for that. It's only a few extra.
Ready to play? Deal or no deal?
What's best to do is look for the 200 right there. It normally ends up in some of the other direction, somewhere in the exact opposite area. I'm going for case number 4.
You chose case number 4. 5 cases. That's good.
A word of advice, keep saying no deal as if the 200, 100, or 75 are still there.
14.
The 40 disappeared, but it's okay. There's still the 200 and 100. The 20 also disappeared, but there's still bigger things.
15.
Never get discouraged in this game. Sometimes that happens, it always happens, but there's still the 200.
Hello? All right. Here's the offer.
No deal.
Deal? No deal. 2. Let's see some low value. That's good. Keep it low. 9. We want low value.
The 200 is still there. Do not worry as long as there's a huge
16.
number.
Let's see some low value.
50 or greater.
That's good. Keep it low. We want low value.
Not great. The 50 is still there at least.
That's
But hey, luck can happen. You never know. You might get something huge.
Here is the deal or no deal. No deal. Now, open 10. 3 cases. Yes. 6. Great choice. 7. That's good.
Now the lowest is just a 5. Not really that good, but there's still the 50.
Tell him. I'll tell him. Here is the offer. Deal.
No.
No deal.
Now,
Now, open 2 cases. 5. Let's see some low values. Yes.
that's good.
3.
That's even better. Now the lowest I can get is a 15.
That's the best.
If there's a huge number, it's honestly up to you. It's always in between the 2 big numbers. But I always go for no deal. It's just a matter of opinion.
No deal.
Now let's see if I won 50
Let's open
or
your
50.
case.
There we go. 50 tickets.
You win. Wow, what a great game.
There we go. This game is always fun. When you do this, never buy more than 1 ship. You normally end up getting ships. And always just fire at the beginning as fast as possible. And go for the huge ones. See? Now I got another ship because I waited and I didn't buy ahead. And always, it's best to shoot the bombs. Blow up a bunch of ships. The objective is to get 100. Now, for the mothership, just avoid everything. It gets really crazy at times. Just avoid everything. That's it. Could hurt you. Oh no, I lost the ship. Oh well. It's best to always go to play this game, but only ever use one. Now, this game looks interesting. Now, when you play this game, as soon as you see the green SpongeBob appear, then that time it just didn't work. It's best to always wait for the green SpongeBob to win tickets or at least get close. Don't go for the land. Skee ball. Now, when playing skee ball, it's always best to go for the biggest number. Bigger is better in this case. How to get to those two is to roll it at an angle. You get really close, or you make it. See? That's weird. It doesn't seem to be giving me the number of points. That's weird. Don't know why it didn't give me the correct number of points. Whatever. Well, that's all for now. So when you're all done, just push the button. Take your tickets. When you're all done, take your tickets.
Tickets.
Hey, 369.
So anyways, don't bother throwing these away. Keep them for other arcades that have people who will take the receipts. Don't just throw it away. Then select one.
Your prize is vending. Your prize is ready.
Look!
What's your man? Take me by the hand, lead me to the land.
I hope you enjoyed and learned how to do some. Please be sure to subscribe for more videos.